So I'm just in the pickup line at school right now. I got here a little bit early because I was at the point in my work where I finished a project and I didn't want to start something new because I would have had to leave, you know, in 10 or 15 minutes anyways. But here I am at school 10 or 15 minutes early, but that's okay. Gives me an opportunity to kind of just relax and kind of reset before the evening. The boys have swimming this afternoon, so they'll be swimming for about an hour. I brought my iPad with me so I can hopefully get a little bit of work done while I'm sitting there, and that'll just make my evening a little bit easier because today work was so crazy. I didn't have any chance to do any chores like I usually do in between work. Like I'll get a load of laundry started or I'll do the dishes, but I didn't get anything done today. So now this evening I'm gonna have a lot of that kind of work to get done. On our way home, I had to make a quick stop at Walmart. I needed a couple of things. So I'll just show you what I got. I got these. Apparently these are really fantastic for nachos. I've never bought them at home before. I've had them at a restaurant. At least that's what I think they were, according to somebody that told me. And I really, really like them. So we got these. We needed some more pasta. I like spaghettini the most, so I buy it for everybody. We got lots because the boys really like eating pasta. And then we got some jarred pasta sauce. Please don't judge me. Today was just one of those days where I didn't have the time or the patience to make my own sauce, which if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I have an Alfredo sauce cook with me. You can check it out. If I remember, I'll link it. If not, you can look it up. We're gonna mix this with this today. The boys have never had a rosé sauce before. They've only ever had Alfredo, so we're trying to expand their horizons with more food. So I thought giving them pink sauce would be something different. And then me and Emil are gonna have some salmon with the pasta. The boys won't eat salmon. So I'm gonna cook this up and shred it and put it in our pasta.
Hey everybody, this is Jasmine from a later date. I actually forgot to film the intro to this video, so I'm just hopping on to say hi. How's it going? I'm so glad you're here. I actually wanted to film this voiceover last week, but I'm not sure if you can tell. I don't know if you've ever watched my videos before, but my voice is a little groggy. And actually last week I hardly had any voice at all. I was away for a business trip mixed with personal a couple weeks ago and ended up getting really sick after that. And it's kind of just taken a long time for me to sort of recover, and I finally got my voice back. So how are you all doing? Halloween is over. Have you put away your decorations? Have you started decorating for Christmas yet? Today's November 3rd, and I actually just today took down all of my fall and Halloween decorations. I do want to start decorating for Christmas, which it is a little bit early for me, but Christmas decorations just bring me so much joy that this year I decided I'm going to keep the decorations up for as long as possible. My goal for this year is to try and not buy new Christmas decorations. I did already, however, break that. I bought a couple of ornaments that I thought were really pretty that I've been eyeing for quite a while, but that's all that I've bought. I'm really trying so hard to not buy anything new because we are trying to save for a house and every dollar counts, and I have enough Christmas decorations to decorate where we are right now, and so there's no need to spend any extra money. The major theme for my decorations is flocked, pink, and champagne. And I think that everything that I have is pretty great within that color scheme, and so I'm going to be happy with what I have.
So I'm going to put the salmon in the air fryer just here, and I'm just going to use this everything but the bagel seasoning. This is the easiest way to just get some really flavorful salmon, and like I said, I'm just going to shred it up and put it in the pasta anyway. So I'm going to cook it in the air fryer for 9 minutes.
Sometimes I let my boys eat downstairs at their mini little table that they have, and I put it on the tiles in front of the fireplace, and they're little kids, so they do make quite a bit of a mess. So I just wanted to get the crumbs vacuumed up, but then I also wanted to do a quick mop because it looked like they had spilled some milk and stuff, and it was kind of gross. Ever since we got the Tyneco vacuum mop 2-in-1 from Amazon, I haven't really used this steam mop too much, but I'll be honest, I don't really like the Tyneco too much. I don't know what the big hype is. It doesn't clean that well, especially the model that we have. It doesn't get the edges or the corners too good, so I still have to go in with a mop and redo it. So I just don't know what the point is. Do you have it? What do you think of it? Which model do you have? Lately, I've been filming more content while my family's been home because I actually haven't been so nervous. Before, I would never film in front of anybody, but this time he wanted to help me out, so he was just picking up all the big things from the carpet. I actually forgot to take some footage of our dinner, so here I am just cleaning up the leftovers, the sauce leftovers. I'm gonna freeze it because we're not gonna eat pasta again for a little while, and I don't want it to go to waste.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. Kitchen is clean, laundry is done, chores are all done for the day. I'm going to go and relax and have some family time this evening. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video.